Meaning of induction course.
Induction course.
Induction course.
Induction course.
Induction course. An induction course is typically a training program provided by an organization to new employees. The purpose of such a course is to introduce new employees to the company policies, procedures, and expectations. It aims to familiarize them with the workplace environment, work culture, and responsibilities. Induction courses usually cover a wide range of topics, including health and safety regulations, administrative procedures, and job-specific training. Overall, induction courses are designed to help new employees adjust to their new role within the company and ensure that they are equipped with the necessary knowledge and skills to perform their job effectively.